Hello, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we are going to see how to fix the Amazon Flex support code AM00. Many people are facing the issue with that. So to do that, first you need to go to browser, then search Amazon Flex support. After that, click on this website. After clicking on it, you will see a phone number and an email address where you can talk to them what problem you are facing by emailing them that what issues you are facing and sending them the code number that you are getting this error. After doing that, they can fix the issue. So I hope this video helped you. If it does, then please like and share this video and also subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.